Across industries, organizations are under increasing pressure to collaborate, to detect fraud, access risk, and measure real world impact. Yet, most of this collaboration never happens, not because of a lack of data, but because data cannot be shared safely. What if organizations could generate shared insights without exchanging any raw customer data at all? That is the problem CrossSafe is designed to solve. Banks, insurers, retailers, and public agencies all hold critical pieces of the same picture. Fraud partners often span multiple institutions. Social and financial programs depend on insights distributed across organizations. However, strict privacy regulations, comparative concerns, and trust barriers make direct data sharing impossible. As a result, each organization operates with a partial view, leading to mixed fraud signals, underserved populations remaining unidentified, and program outcomes being measured inaccurately. So the challenge is clear. There is no practical compliant way for organizations to analyze data together without exposing sensitive information. So now we begin inside the bank partner portal. This is where each organization joins the cross-safe network without giving up control of its data. Here, the bank securely registers its identity and uploads transaction data in a standardized format. The data remains encrypted, governed, and fully under the bank's control in line with regulatory requirements. Next, we log into CrossSafe Insights as an authorized analyst. Once logged in, the analyst enters the CrossSafe Insights workspace. Here, the analyst can either select a pre approved privacy preserving query to run across federated partners or choose from catalog where the query parameters have to be manually entered. So now let's take a demo of the pre-approved query. We begin by asking a question in plain English, next setting epsilon value and minimum group size through k minimum threshold value as per our needs of privacy and accuracy. Once we run, every step is fully audited. This privacy protected result is aggregated across multiple partners and protected by differential privacy, ensuring the results are safe to use while preventing any individual organizations from being identified. To make the insights immediately actionable, a clear executive summary that highlights key findings and confidence notes. Every query execution is fully auditable with immutable logs and results hashes, providing regulators and partners complete transparency and compliance assurance. Now, going to the behind the scenes, this is CrossSafe's database structure made using PostgreSQL. CrossSafe maintains a governance layer that tracks privacy budgets, approved queries, and audit logs, ensuring every insight is compliant and traceable. This concludes CrossSafe. CrossSafe isn't just an analytics platform. It's a new way for organizations to collaborate without compromising trust or privacy. Thank you.